Okay, guys. How, Sitara, did you get it? Sitara, did you get it? Sitara? She got stuck. Okay, let's move on, guys. Manya, how was your test?
It was good. I felt pretty confident on it.
Oh, that's nice. Very nice to know, but I thought it was a big one, right, for you?
Yeah, I mean, they normally like curve it a lot, so we'll see.
Oh, wow. Good to
Yeah.
know. But we cannot depend on that curving.
Yeah, but I don't know.
Okay. Dia, what are you doing in school, ma?
We're learning about like finding the segment links in the circle.
Finding this segment. Have you gone to circle equations?
Yeah, I think we finished that.
Oh, circle equations is done now. Completing squares. Are you done with that?
Yeah, I think we did that.
Oh, okay. So now you are on what finding segments means. Can you elaborate a little bit more?
We like did the angles. We found the angles, and then we're finding the length. We like just started, so I'm not sure.
Length of what, ma?
It was like, hold on, I'll check and then tell you.
Did you guys do the homework this week? Ah, I put it in the wrong classroom, looks like. Did you guys do the homework? Oh, yeah. Okay. After putting in the wrong classroom, Srinita's mom reminded me. So I put it in the right classroom.
I'm almost done with this week's homework.
Okay. But are you following Samantha nicely?
Yeah, the notes are provided in the thing, so it's like easy to understand when there's like the note.
Nice. Nice. Oh, I see. Oh, I see.
Yeah,
That helps you. Okay. Good to
yeah.
know that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. 5, 6, 7, 8. What else in circles? I just need to know part 2. But let me quickly check, guys. What do we have now? 5, 6, 7, 8. Chetan, what are you doing in school?
Can you hear me, Auntie?
What are you doing in school?
Okay, so we just finished our test over fractional distances and dilations. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do this next class because our test was on Thursday and my next math class is on Monday.
I see. Okay, let's review what we did last week, and then I have one concept to cover regarding secants. Once we cover that, we'll move on to circle equations and try to get that done. Okay, so let's see this one. How about, yep, let's see this one. This should be simple though. What is the circumference of this circle? You want me to redraw? I can redraw. Chetan, there is a this one I can tell you, Chetan. There is a
Okay.
circle with center O. A diameter is drawn through the center O, and a right angle triangle is drawn with the diameter as the hypotenuse. Okay.
Okay.
One leg is √2, the other leg is as well √2. What is the circumference of this circle? It is a general review, circumference of this circle. We'll do a good review and then we'll move on to the last bit of circles. Manya, did they cover angles formed outside of the circle for two secants, tangent and a secant, or two tangents?
Um, it's like when two angles come out and you're supposed to find it, like the angle inside. Yeah,
Correct.
Yeah, then they did.
Then, okay, let me see. Then what is the next for you guys?
I don't know. We had our test Thursday, and then Friday it was like he went over the test questions, and so we have our TLC tomorrow. So I don't know what we're doing next.
I can check. Hold on. I have the thing that you sent to me. So I should be able to check that. Oh my gosh. Manya, sorry. Do you have that PDF with you?
Yeah, let me find it.
Sorry, ma. Sorry, I'm asking you again. I should not, but
It's
I don't.
okay.
I don't have the phone here, and my computer does not give me the older messages. Yeah. What is the circumference of that circle? Yeah. Shinita. Is that right, Shinita? Shinta, that doesn't seem right. Akash correct, Diya correct. Samantha, from where did you get that root 8?
It's okay. So root.
Mano,
Two.
Navneet
Oh
correct.
no, it's already given. I did something wrong. I was for some reason, I don't know what made me do that, but did root 2 times root 2 for each side. I don't know how, but yeah.
So you can correct it and send the answer to me.
Yeah, I can.
Srinita, can you explain how you got it? Shrikar, where is your answer? Oh, I see. Diya. Okay, okay. We'll do some problems in there. I think we covered that already, right? So we'll go ahead and do that. Little, meaning 2-3 problems we'll do.
Auntie,
Yeah.
can I say I didn't solve completely yet, but I think I got in terms of pi.
What is it?
4 times pi.
Why 4 times pi?
Okay, so
Why?
root 2 squared is canceled to 2, right?
Yeah.
So 2 plus 2, which is the two sides.
Yeah, 2 plus 2 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So 2 is the
2.
diameter, right?
Yeah, so 2 pi r, right? So 2 times the radius.
Radius is
Which
1, right?
Wait, so the diameter, I thought the radius formed the one side of the right triangle. I'm sorry.
No. Diameter forms the hypotenuse.
Okay, I thought it was the
Okay,
radius.
no problem. I think you got it. Aditi, no answer from you? Srinita?
Oh, I just joined.
I saw that, ma, but I thought you would have done. Srinita, did you get it, ma?
Yeah, I just forgot to square root it.
Oh, okay. So this is by Pythagorean theorem. Square root of 2 the whole square plus square root of 2 the whole square will be equal to the diameter square. Square root of 2 the whole square is 2 plus 2 will be equal to diameter square. 4 equal to diameter square. Diameter is equal to 2 means radius equal to 1. You got it? Okay, good. How about this? You wanted to do some length of cards. Length of cards. Let's see. Okay, how about this? Okay, this is a good one to do as well. Let's try this one. Chetan, I'm going to skip this problem for you. If that's okay with you, please, Chetan, this one. I'll do the rest of the stuff. Or you can do actually. I can dictate this. See, if I'm not able to explain only, I will skip. Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead and do this one, guys. This one I think I can explain. MN and MP are tangent to a circle with center G. Okay. Mn is equal to 2y minus 2. Please, Chetan, you'll have to note down. Mn equal to 2y minus 2. MP equal to 4y minus 32. And NP equal to y plus 8. So basically, MN and MP are tangent. Okay. NP is a chord on the circle. Okay. The chord ends are making the tangent MN and MP. MN is equal to 2y minus 2, MP is equal to 4y minus 32, and NP is equal to y plus 8. What is the perimeter of the triangle MNP?
Miss Priya, I just sent it to you.
Yeah. This one is quite important. This is based on Hath theorem. Manya, did you send it?
Yeah, through WhatsApp.
Oh, thanks. I thought you sent that. Sorry to
Oh,
ask,
sorry.
Manya. Yeah, that's easy. Oh, you also have the semester exam, right?
The what?
You also have the semester exam, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Akash correct, Manav correct, Aditi correct. Navneet correct. I think you're all good. Move on. Add theorem is good. Let's see what else I can cover. Okay, how about this? Did you get it, Chetan? That's right. All of you got it.
No,
This one.
Auntie, can you
Uh,
repeat? I got the first two equations, 2y minus 2 and 4y minus 32.
Yep. So you have to equate them and find out why. Then you have,
Not yet.
yeah. Then you have the three sides of the triangle. You can find the perimeter.
Okay, wait.
Okay. The rest of you can go ahead with this one. How about this one? Chetan, I'll wait to know your answer. Chetan, in the meantime, let me give the other problem to them. Oh,
Okay.
go ahead, guys. Yeah. Go ahead with this one. How to find the measure of angle 2? This was based on last week. How to find the measure of angle 2? Wow, good job, Akash. I feel like you're on top of it. Shrikar correct and Navneet correct. Now, Shrikar, very nice. Navneet, very nice. Because you're all,
Auntie, what's the third equation?
there is no
You
third.
told no, I mean you said you gave me 2y minus 2 and 4y plus 32. And then there's a measure of a chord, right?
Yeah,
Those are
measure
the
of
two.
chord. Yes, I don't remember. Wait, I don't have the question. Hold on. Y plus 8.
Y plus 8?
Yeah, y plus 8. Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I got 89.
79, right? There is a
79.
correct.
79, sorry.
Okay, this one is correct. So inscribed angle is equal to half of the intercepted arc. Manya, did you get it?
Okay, wait. Yeah, I'm sending my answer.
Yeah, that is the intercepted arc. So inscribed angle is this. Even if it is on the circle, it is the inscribed angle. So inscribed angle is equal to half of the intersected arc, which is 73. Let me move on. I didn't do circle equations, so I need to do and polygons. Let's see how much we can do today. Okay, the last one I wanted to cover, right? I'm not going to do these. If you've done the homework, we are good. But the last one, I would like to do this. This is one concept that I want to finish, circle related problems. So here, angle formed outside of the circle. Okay. So angle is formed outside. When you look at these pictures, right? In all the three places, the angle is formed outside of the circle. The angle formed can be three different varieties. Two tangents can meet outside. This is two tangents can meet outside and form an angle. This is two secants can meet outside of the circle and form an angle. Or a tangent and a secant can meet outside the circle and form an angle. In all the three cases, it's pretty the same formula in the sense, whatever the angle formed that's outside of the circle, right, that angle is equal to half of the intercepted arcs, half of the difference of the intercepted arcs. What is the difference of the intercepted arc? There are two arcs involved when you look at it. So the bigger arc minus the smaller arc. Here the bigger arc minus the smaller arc. So half of the difference will be equal to the angle value. Am I making sense? This one is in the notes. So whenever you have an angle that's formed outside of the circle, whether it is by two tangents or two secants or secant and a tangent, it's very easy to find the value of that angle. How? There are two arcs that are involved. One arc, major arc, and the minor arc. So major arc, measure of the major arc minus the measure of the minor arc. So that difference divided by 2 will be that outer angle. Okay, can I move on?
Yeah.
Can I erase this? Can I erase that?
Yeah.
Let's try this one. I want it to be a little, this is good. Let me see. Okay, first I'll give you one question that is very easy. The second question, we'll make it a little difficult, okay? How about this? I would like to know the measure of angle A. I would like to know the measure of angle A in the diagram. No, angle A. Chetan, for you, I can say, what is the measure of angle A formed by two tangents? Okay. The arc
Okay.
between the two tangents is 99 degrees. Arc
Okay.
between the two tangents is 99 degrees. But there are two tangents that are meeting at point A. I want to measure the angle A.
Okay.
Tricky question though. Let's see.
Auntie, I got my answer. This one was pretty easy.
Yeah, yeah. 1 minute, Amma.
Sure.
Please don't say. 1 minute, 1 minute.
Okay.
Yep. Did you all get it? Next one, I'll give you a challenge problem. Only two answers I got. Really? Navneet, Dia, correct. Akash, is that correct? No, Akash. That doesn't seem right. Yes, Samantha, that's right. Akash, how did you do that?
No, you take the two of the sides and then even it out.
No, right? Meaning, see, this is an angle formed outside. What did I tell you? The value of that angle is always equal to, there are two arcs that are involved in that. What are those two arcs? 1, 2. So measure of the major arc minus measure of the minor arc. Divide by 2. That will be your outer angle A. So what is the
Yeah,
measure of
isn't it 360 divided by 2?
No. What is measure of the major arc? Major arc is always written in 3 letters, right? Measure of BDC minus measure of BC divide by 2. What is BDC? This is 99 means this is 360 minus 99, right?
Yeah,
So it's 261, right?
yeah.
261 minus 99 divide by 2, right? So basically 261, 161, 161. What is it? Am I making sense?
Wait, you can just do 99 by 2.
Yeah, so basically what is the answer, Chetan?
49.5.
81, right?
Huh?
81, right?
You asked for the measure of the angle.
I'm getting confused. 360 minus 99 is what? 260. 260 plus 1, 261 is correct. Okay? So 261.
Okay, the angle is half of the intercepted arc, right?
Yeah, 261 minus 99, right? Manav, how did you get it? Manya, how did you get it?
Oh, I did the same thing as you did. I subtracted the major arc, minor arc divided by 2. I got
What was the major arc?
It was 261.
Yeah, 261 minus 99 divided by 2, Chetan.
Okay, I think I did something
Okay.
wrong.
Okay, you understood, right?
Yeah.
But unfortunately, I'm not getting the same answer. Why, guys? So 9, 10, 11, 2, 9 to 6 is 7. 1, 7 to divide by 2, 2, 8 is 16. I'm getting 86. Why? Where am I making the mistake?
Isn't the difference 162?
Oh,
Isn't it
thank you, lady. Perfect. That's the deal. Thanks. Makes sense. Thank you. Shall we move on? Dia, did you get it, Dia?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Now let me go to a little bit of a challenge problem. Let's see, guys. This one is a challenge. Let's see. So I would like to receive the measure of arc XY. I would like to know the measure. Chetan, let's skip this problem for you, but I'll do the next one with you. Is that okay?
Yeah.
I don't know how to describe this clearly. There
Is
is,
XY the intercepted arc?
see, there is a circle. There are points X, Y, Z on the circle. W is the, actually at X you have a tangent, okay? At YX, a secant is passing through Y and Z. Okay, tangent is passing through X. Okay, the arc XZ is 103. The angle outside is 41. Okay, what I would like to measure is XY, measure of XY. You need to
So
measure of
XY is the arc that's. I'm not sure, but is XY the arc that's created by the secant passing through the circle? Or is it the.
See, the problem is that's what X, a tangent passes through X, a secant passes through Y and Z.
Okay.
I want the measure of the arc XY. XZ is given 103. XY is the bigger arc actually. So let me.
Yeah, I can't. I'm not sure how to.
Yeah. Chetan, we'll just leave this on you. Okay, meaning if it's workable, I will describe. Okay. It's a little tricky. Let me see. Let me wait and see how you guys do. Get out here myself.
Miss Priya, can you check if my answer's right?
Samantha, I didn't get your answer. Diya, Navneet, Aditi, Manya, I got your answers.
I said my answer.
Samantha, you sent your answer, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I didn't get your answer.
Like it's wrong or like you just didn't.
Yeah, I think so. Diya correct, Navneet correct, Manav correct, Manya correct, Aditi correct. Can you check, ma? How did you get Samantha? Shrikar, where
Don't
is
you
your...
just add them because that 103 is the minor arc?
No, right, ma. Here, this is the bigger arc. Okay, that's what you
Oh, it
need.
works like that.
This is the smaller arc. So bigger arc minus 103 divided by 2 is the outer angle. So B
Okay.
minus 103 equal to 82. B will be equal to 103 plus 82, which is 185. I'm sorry. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah.
185. Now let's move on. Okay, we are good with this, I feel. Let's see. Is there any other difficult problem I can give you? I'll give you. Yeah, this is a good one. Actually, it's for TIC standards. Why don't we do this one? How about this? Last question, right? On this. Oh, special segments is there. We have not covered that. Okay, equations of circles we'll see then later. I'm going to do special segments and then I'm going to move on to let's do this. Done?
No.
Akash correct, Navneet correct, Aditi correct, Diya correct. Manav, you're doing?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you stuck?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, can I get your answer?
Yeah, I'll send it.
So,
Is that correct?
yep, that's right. We'll move on from here. Chetan, I'm getting to a different topic, okay? So now we are going to talk about segments intersecting segments intersecting inside and outside a circle. Inside and outside a circle. Okay. So now first let's consider two segments intersecting inside a circle. Okay, this need not be the center. Center of the circle is here, but the intersection point need not be the center. Okay. So now if two chords intersect inside the circle, the product of AB, see, the product of AB is equal to product of CD. Make sense? A times B equal to C times D. Does it make sense? Now I would say these are two secants that are meeting inside a circle. Two secants meet inside a circle. So you need to remember the product of the line segments of the chords, they are equal. Can I move on? Now there can be one more circle where you have tangents, two tangents. Basically there are two tangents meeting outside the circle. So two tangents meeting outside the circle. In this scenario, I'm sorry, not this one. This one we have covered through hat theorem. So let me go back. Sorry, guys. I can have a tangent and a secant. Let's say I have a tangent and a secant. See, that was covered using the hat theorem, right? So let's not do that in here. So we will do this one. A secant and a tangent. Secant and tangent meet outside. Yeah, this one is a little tricky. Okay, now CD is the tangent, AC is the secant, correct? So in this case, the tangent, right? The tangent line segment, right? That square will be equal to, let me show you. In this scenario, where a tangent and a secant meet outside the circle, right? AB times AC, AB times AC will be equal to CD square. Does it make sense? These are quite important, guys. You just need to get through. This is a secant tangent rule. So, in the case of a tangent and a secant meeting outside the circle, right? Then the square of the measure of the tangent segment is equal to the product of the measures of the secant segments, a secant segment and its external secant segment. The internal secant segment, the entire JN, the secant segment and the external secant segment. Secant segment is AC, okay? But the external secant segment, oh, wait. Did I do it correct? Then in this case, AB times, okay, I think, 1 second. This is the oh my gosh, sorry. Okay, so here, this will be AB times BC. AB, oh my gosh, sorry. Let me please rewrite AB times BC. I wrote it incorrectly first time. Please correct it. External. I wrote the internal side. Can I move on? Okay, the last one is what? The last one is, let's try about two tangents. Two tangents meet outside the circle. So let's, two secants, A, B, C, D, E. So we talk about two secants outside, meeting outside. In this case, Can I go ahead? In this case of the previous one was secant tangent rule. This one is a secant rule, right? So in this case, right, the secant segment, the entire secant segment times the external secant segment will be, the product of those two will be equal to the other one. Let's see, I'll write it down for you. So here, the whole secant segment times the external secant segment, AC times BC, will be equal to the whole secant segment, EC times DC. This is the external secant segment. I have notes on all these secant segment. This is the secant segment. Similarly, for the other secant, AC is the secant segment. Okay. BC is the external secant segment. If you know this, you'll be able to solve problems related to this. Okay, this is basically intersection of two secants inside the circle, intersection of two secants outside the circle, intersection of tangent and a secant outside the circle. Only 3 scenarios here. Can I move on? We'll do 3 problems. I think I limited there. 3 problems and then we'll. Can I move on? Okay, first let's consider the case of two secants meeting inside a circle. Can I erase this? Please let me know, guys. Riti, can I erase? Okay. Now, what happened? Yeah. So here there are two basically chords that are intersecting inside the circle. One chord has x plus 4 and x minus 12. The other chord has x and x minus 9. So what is the value of x? What is the value of x? What is the value of x? Can I get the value of x? Try, guys, only based out of what we have done already. Yeah, guys. Yeah, Diya, Manav, correct. The Manav, that seems incorrect to me. How, I don't know though. Can we check, Manav? So basically these are two chords, right? Chords are intersecting at a point inside the circle. The length of one chord, a part of it measures x, the other part of it measures x minus 9. In the other chord, a part of it measures x plus 4, a part of it measures x minus 12. So basically, if there are two chords intersecting inside the circle, right, the product of the line segments are equal. So x plus 4 times x minus 12. Did you get this, Manav?
Yeah, that's what I got.
4x minus 12x minus 48 will be equal to Manya. Did you get it?
Yeah.
So what is the answer? You didn't send.
No, I did send.
No. Manya, you didn't send, right? Manav, your answer seemed incorrect to me. Manya, did you get the answer?
Yeah, but then I ended up
That's
getting
what I got.
0, so then I resolved it and then I got the right answer.
Yeah, that's the answer I put. I put 48.
Oh, yeah, you corrected. Okay, great. Okay. Akash, Diya,
No, that was my first
previous
try.
problem. Okay. Aditi, did you get it? Samantha,
I
Srinita, did you
got
guys
it.
get Shrikar, I didn't get any answers from you as well. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So now, let's go. Okay, we did a Chetan. I'm not telling it through just because I'm not able to explain these. Chetan, are you with me?
Yes, Santi.
Okay. So let's try this one. I'll try to explain this one, Chetan. We will solve a problem where two secants intersect, two secants meet outside the circle at point A. Okay, the secant segment. Okay, the secant segments are AC and AE. Okay, B B is on AC, D is on AE. Okay, D point is the intersection of the circle and one of the secants. D point is the intersection of AE secant and the circle. B point is the intersection of AC secant and the circle. Now AB is 4, BC is 8. AD is 3, DE is X. Find out X.
I'm not sure if I understand. Wait, so is it 4 segments in total?
No, not 4 segments, only 2 secants. Okay, the problem is part length, a part of the length of the secant I'm saying. One is 8 and 4, one is 3 and X. The external values, external secant values are 4. AC, yeah, AC is a secant. Okay, AB is residing outside the circle. That part is 4. AE is a secant. AD is the part that's residing outside the circle. That's 3.
Okay, so what are the two outside?
The part that is outside is 4.
And the part that's inside?
8 for one of the secant. For the other
Okay,
secant,
and so
3 and X.
3 is outside or inside?
3 is outside, always in the same order. 3 is outside.
Okay.
Guys, I didn't get any of your answers yet. Yes, Srinita, that's correct. For everything related to this, remember the external segment times the entire secant. External piece, right? That times the entire secant will be equal to the external part of the other secant times the entire secant. Are you confused? Akash, are you confused, Akash, on this?
A bit.
Where are you confused?
On the multiplication.
Which one and which one to multiply?
The
Which and which to multiply?
the shorter external segment
Yeah, see, this
and
is
how
the
it's equivalent to the other side.
see, this is the external piece, right? So 4 times the entire segment is 12 will be equal to the external segment of this is 3 times 3 plus X. That's all. Yes, that's right, Navneet and Diya. Akash, did you,
Decimal?
what is it, ma?
Should we be getting a decimal?
You will not get a decimal, right? 16 minus 3, 13 you'll get.
Okay.
4 times 12 will be equal to 3 times 3 plus X.
Yeah, that's what I did. 60 is equal to 9x. Right?
No.
3x.
48 equal to 3
Ah,
times
I
3 plus.
multiplied 3 times the coefficient.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, so 60 minus 9 is 51.
Wait, isn't 4 times a equal to 3 times x?
Okay, did I make a mistake? Wait, I don't know. Let's see, guys. Wait. I'll try to bring it back. Hold on.
Wait, Miss Priya, those were two secants, right?
Yeah, 4 times 12 equal to 3 times 3 plus x is what I got.
So 3x plus 9 is equal to 60.
Yep, 3x plus 9 equal to 12 times 4, 48.
Oh, sorry, my bad. Yeah, 40. So 40, wait, 40 minus
48.
48.
48 divided by 3 equal to 3 plus x. Okay, 48 minus 9. That is also fine. 48 minus 9 is 39 equal to 3x. X equal to 13.
Okay, yeah. That was my mistake, actually.
No problem. Manav, did you get it?
Yeah, I did like 3. Wait, I forgot the. Wait, could you get the problem again?
Again, no. Okay, wait.
Yeah, I got 4. I got like 4 times a equals to 3 times x.
3 times 3 plus x, right? I know what.
That was for inside the circle. Oh, I get it now.
Yeah, I know. See, that's what is a little confusing. Okay. The last one, we'll do this one. Let's see this one. Now, I would really like to discuss a tangent and a secant. Tangent and a secant. Okay, I'm doing only one problem of each step. I feel bad, but at the same time, I'm going to move on. Okay, how about this tangent and a secant? Tangent and a secant means this is the tangent length. For the secant, it's always the external part times the entire secant. Try that one.
Can you describe it, Auntie?
Yeah, I can, Amma. There is a circle. There is a tangent. Tangent length is square root of 174. There is a secant. Secant part that's outside the circle is x. The secant part that's inside the circle is 3x plus 5. Did you get that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Find out x. Did you get it? Go ahead, guys. Got it? Guys, do you want me to do this one? I'm not getting answers.
Can you do this one?
Yeah, see the tangent square, right? This will be equal to the secant. How do you relate the secant? secant, whole secant times outer secant.
Mm-hmm.
Make sense?
Okay.
But don't get confused. It's always secant means outer secant times the whole secant. Tangent means it's always a square.
Okay.
Auntie, I get how to do it. I'm just not sure the like how to I know how to arrange it and everything, but like how do you multiply x? So when you multiply x times 4x, wait, 4x is correct, right? So far, because I added x plus 3x,
4x plus 5 times x, correct.
which is 4x squared plus 5.
X minus 174. 4x square plus 5x minus 174 equal to 0.
Minus 170. Oh yeah, because square
Yeah.
root of 174 is squared is 174. Okay, yeah.
Now you have to solve for the quadratic equation. Guys, I don't know how many of you solved it. Do you all remember? I will have this patience. It takes a lot of time. That's what I'm seeing on this. I don't know though. Getting a very bad answer. What is that? What are you guys getting? Four x plus 5 times x, correct? Yeah, Manu, I'm also getting that, but that seems incorrect. Why? 4x plus 5 times x, correct. That will be equal to, so 4x square plus 5x minus 174. But 1809 doesn't seem to be a perfect square. 40 is okay. 50 is 2500. 45 is 20. So between 41 and 42. Guys, you can use the calculators. So the negative value you can erase off. It's invalid. So just consider the positive value. So I'm getting 37.5 divided by 8.
Oh, I think I accidentally put 25 squared. That's why it was off. Like in the discriminant, I accidentally put 25 squared.
Oh, okay. But for some reason, something is screwed. By 2, 8 correct, 42.5. 42.5 minus 5 is 37.5 divided by 8 is correct. What did you guys get?
I got 4.7.
I'm also getting 4.7. Shrikar, how did you get 6? Diya, how did you get 6? 6 is right.
I used the quadratic formula.
Yeah, I also use the quadratic formula. Minus 5 plus or minus b square. I'm checking, guys. B
Is it
square.
square root of 1,809?
Yeah.
I got 2,809.
Did I make a mistake there? No, I didn't. Wait, I'm checking, guys. Maybe 174 times 16. Did I make a mistake? 10, 174, 8, 4, 7. Oh my gosh. 2. So that's 2809. That makes a lot of sense. Yes. If it is a mistake, it's a mistake. Definitely I made a mistake. So it's 2809, but what is the further for 2809? Let me check, guys. I'll do it properly though. It's 2809. Nice catch, Diya. Aditi, that seems incorrect, ma. So 50.
Yeah, I'm redoing it.
Yeah, so 53. This is a 53. Then it gets changed a little bit. 53 means change, decide the negative value. The positive value will be 3 will go, and then 2 more will go. 48 by 8, which is 6. Srinita, did you get it? Manya, did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Quadratic equation, you should be able to use the quadratic formula. That is why I gave this question. Can I move on? Okay, do it and let me know. Did you get it, guys? I will have to stop here. Huh? That's not nice. You passed it on to me. 1 minute, guys. I won't take for long, but give me few minutes. Okay, calculate area and perimeter of 2D shapes. Okay. Okay. Have I covered this with you guys? Remember, meaning I don't know whether you all remember. So answer should be what, guys? It should be 6. Can I move on? Okay. One last question I have for you to ask. I have not covered equations of circles. We'll do it sometime. But then I have a question to you on polygons. For a polygon, right? Let's say if it's a triangle, let me do this exercise with you and then I'll let you go. Suppose if it's a triangle, right? There is one triangle, right? What is the sum of the angles in a triangle? What is the sum of angles in a triangle?
180.
1 times 180 is 180. If suppose it's a regular triangle means it's an equilateral triangle. In that case, what is the measure of each angle?
60.
Measure of each angle, that will be 60. What is that? How is calculated? Divide by 3 equal to 60. This is the concept, okay? Next we'll get started with this. Okay. Now, if it's a quadrilateral, right? I can split it into 2 triangles. So there are 2 triangles, right? First of all, triangle has 3 sides. Quadrilateral has 4 sides. So there is a pattern evolving. This one I have done it with you in 7th grade. I know. But then you might have forgotten. What is the sum of the angles here? Just because there are 2 triangles, it will be 2 times 180. So that will be 360.
360.
Yeah, and the measure, suppose if they are all equal, let's say it's a regular quadrilateral, then what is the measure of each angle is? 360
90.
divided by 4, which is 90. Now, let's go to a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's consider it's a regular pentagon. How many triangles are there, Akash, in this?
3.
3 triangles. What is the sum of the angles in the triangle?
In each triangle, it's 180.
Yep, 3 times 180. So that would be 540, right? So each angle would be 540 by 5, which is 108. Guys, you'll have to memorize all of this. Now for a hexagon, hexagon will be the last, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, hexagon. I am thinking I can split into how many triangles? 4 triangles. I'm considering it's a regular hexagon. So it will be 4 times 180. So it will be 360 plus 360, which will be 720. Now 720 by 6 would be 120. Now I have given this pattern to you. Now there is an n-sided polygon. What happens here? For an
N
n-sided,
minus 2.
huh?
N minus 2.
N minus 2 triangles. And what will be the sum of the angles?
Times 180.
Yeah, what times 180?
N minus 2 times 180.
2 times 180. And what will be the measure of each angle? N minus 2 times 180 divided by n. Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
This is very important.
We actually did this already.
Oh, good. Good for you. So here, this is quite important to derive the n-sided polygon. Can I move on? One another concept that I wanted to, I did move on. I don't know whether you guys made a note of it. Can I move on? Okay. Another thing that I wanted to show was for a polygon, right? Whether it's a pentagon, hexagon, or whatever, right? Area will be equal to half times perimeter times apothem. This is a new formula we learn in geometry. Perimeter times apothem. What is this apothem? Apothem is from the center, draw a perpendicular to any of the bases. Draw a perpendicular to any of the bases. This distance from the center to the base, right, which is perpendicular, that is apothem. So the area of the polygon is half of the perimeter times apothem. Make sense? And what is the external angles of a triangle equal to? What is the sum of the external angles of a triangle? External angles means A, B, C. What is the sum of the external angles of a triangle?
360.
Okay. What is the sum of the external angles of a quadrilateral? Okay, here you are saying A plus B plus C is 360. Correct. Okay, that's fine. That's accepted for a triangle. For a quadrilateral, what is the sum of the external angles? A, B, C, D. What is A plus B plus C plus D? We'll continue.
Also?
Also what?
Is it also 360?
It's also 360.
Because
Whatever
external
be the
is
polygon.
internal.
Yeah, see that proof I'll cover next week. So whatever be the polygon, sum of the, whether it is a pentagon, octagon, hexagon, quadrilateral, triangle, sum of the external angles is always equal to 360. But the internal angles will differ based on the number of triangles we have. Okay, with that said, I will stop here. Any questions? Meaning I will literally take from here next week. So we have gone through the area of a polygon. We have also understood some of the angles, exterior angles of any polygon, and for the interior angles of regular polygons, we have gone through patterns and found out the equation for the n-sided polygon. From here, I'll go into perimeter area. Okay, any questions? Okay, guys. If you don't have any questions, we'll log off. If you have questions, stay.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you.
Chetan, did you